Straightening hair, a simple guide for beginners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem straightforward but has its nuances: straightening hair. Whether you're looking to manage your own hair or just curious about the process, this video will cover all you need to know. We'll explore what it means, how it's done, and some tips to get the best results. So, let's get started. Straightening hair refers to the process of making curly, wavy, or frizzy hair straight using various methods. This can be achieved temporarily with tools like straightening irons or hair dryers, or more permanently through chemical treatments. The goal is to give the hair a smooth, sleek appearance. It's a popular styling technique used by people all around the world to change their look or manage their hair more easily. There are two main approaches to straightening hair: temporary and permanent. Temporary straightening. This involves using heated tools such as flat irons or blow dryers with a round brush. The effect lasts until the next wash. It allows for flexibility and less damage if done correctly. Permanent straightening. This involves chemical treatments that alter the hair's structure for a longer period, often several months. Techniques include keratin treatments, Japanese straightening, or relaxers. While offering long-lasting results, it requires more commitment and can be more damaging to the hair. Straightening hair, especially using heat, can damage it if not done properly. Here are some key tips to ensure you do it safely. 1. Use heat protectant. Always apply a heat protectant spray or serum to your hair before using any heated tools. This helps minimize damage. 2. Choose the right temperature. Not all hair requires the highest heat setting. Fine hair needs a lower temperature, while thick or coarse hair may require more heat. 3. Avoid repeated heat application. Try not to go over the same section of hair multiple times with a flat iron. It increases the risk of heat damage. 4. Maintain your tools. Keep your straightening iron clean and in good condition to ensure even heat distribution. Maintaining the health of your straightened hair is crucial. Moisturize regularly with hair oils or leave-in conditioners to keep it hydrated. If you've opted for permanent straightening, follow your stylist's aftercare recommendations closely, which might include using specific shampoos or avoiding certain products. Straightening hair can transform your look and make hair management easier, but it's important to do it safely to maintain your hair's health. Whether you're experimenting at home or considering a professional treatment, remember to protect, hydrate, and care for your hair. We hope this video has shed some light on the process of straightening hair and how you can achieve sleek, smooth locks safely. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.